Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to set WhatsApp DP without losing quality. So what we need to do is just to make sure you got the DP of or the photo that you want to post on your DP in the HD quality so you don't lose any quality while setting up your WhatsApp DP. So let's head over to our WhatsApp application first. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired WhatsApp account and then head over to the three dots on the top right. Then go to settings. Now from here, just tap on your profile and just tap on your profile picture right now and you'll see an option of the pencil icon on the top right, and just tap on gallery and then just select any picture that you want and just tap on done. Once you're okay with it, your profile photo will be updated. So all we need to do is just to make sure our photo that we want to upload is in HD quality. And if you want to just enhance this quality, you can find various websites on Google to enhance quality of your image. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next video.